Let's talk about something many men quietly worry about, but rarely receive clear, respectful guidance on: how to feel confident, capable, and connected during intimacy, regardless of body type, age, or physical differences. I want to start by making something very clear. Intimacy is not about perfection, comparison, or pressure. It is not about measuring yourself against unrealistic expectations. What truly matters is awareness, positioning, communication, and understanding how the body responds to comfort, alignment, and emotional safety. When those elements are present, intimacy becomes far more natural and fulfilling for both partners. I'm Dr. Michelle, and my work focuses on helping men understand how physical alignment, relaxation, and confidence influence intimate experiences, not just for their partner, but for their own sense of ease and self-assurance as well. Today, I want to walk you through 3 intimacy positions that are widely appreciated because they emphasize comfort, responsiveness, and connection rather than performance pressure. These positions are not extreme or complicated. They don't require exceptional strength or endurance. They work because they allow both partners to relax, communicate more easily, and remain present with each other. Many men are taught, directly or indirectly, that intimacy success comes from effort and control. In reality, the body responds best when tension is reduced. When a position allows both partners to feel supported, breathing becomes deeper, muscles soften, and responsiveness improves naturally. Positioning also affects how much strain is placed on the lower back, hips, and joints. Poor positioning can lead to distraction or discomfort, while supportive positioning allows attention to stay on connection rather than physical stress. Just as importantly, good positioning gives your partner the freedom to make small adjustments that help her feel comfortable without needing constant verbal direction. The first position I want to discuss is one where your partner is positioned above you in a way that allows her to guide the experience comfortably. Some men resist this position because they believe they must always lead physically. But leadership in intimacy is not about control. It's about awareness. When your partner feels free to adjust her posture, movement, or rhythm, she is more likely to communicate what feels right for her body. That sense of agency creates emotional safety, which deepens connection and trust. For many women, this position reduces pressure on the lower back and allows natural movement without strain. For men, it removes the pressure to constantly manage pace or positioning and allows you to focus on staying relaxed, present, and attentive. In this position, patience matters. Allow your partner to settle into what feels comfortable before stepping in. When she feels unhurried and supported, communication becomes easier, whether through words, body language, or subtle shifts. This is often where confidence grows naturally, not because you are trying harder, but because tension fades. Many men are surprised to discover that when they stop forcing movement and instead focus on relaxation, their body responds more consistently. Relaxation plays a critical role in male physical response. The male body relies heavily on healthy circulation and coordinated muscle function, both of which are influenced by the nervous system. When stress or anxiety is present, the body shifts into a defensive state, making natural responsiveness more difficult. When you feel calm and at ease, the nervous system supports normal function. Simple habits like slowing transitions, breathing deeply, and staying mentally present can make a noticeable difference. Intimacy works best when it is not rushed, and confidence often improves when pressure is removed. The second position focuses on alignment and closeness through a seated posture. In this position, you are seated upright on a stable surface while your partner positions herself facing you. What makes this position effective is the combination of physical support and emotional proximity. Sitting reduces strain on the lower body and allows both partners to remain grounded. Being closer face-to-face naturally encourages eye contact, conversation, and emotional presence. This position often feels more connected and less physically demanding, making it easier to stay engaged without fatigue. From a physical standpoint, seated positioning promotes better posture and breathing, which supports relaxation. It can be especially helpful for men who experience lower back discomfort or fatigue in standing or kneeling positions. Choosing a supportive seat allows your body to remain stable, so your attention stays on your partner rather than on discomfort. This position also encourages slower, more intentional movement, which many couples find enhances their sense of closeness. Angle and alignment matter more than most people realize. Small changes in posture or distance can affect comfort significantly. When something feels strained or awkward, it usually is. Comfort is not a lack of effort. It is a sign that the body is aligned properly. When alignment is right, both partners can remain present longer and respond more naturally to each other. This ease is where confidence grows, not through force, but through awareness. The third position involves your partner reclining with gentle support beneath the hips or legs. This position works because it allows the body to rest into support rather than working against gravity. Elevation can reduce strain and encourage relaxation when introduced calmly and respectfully. This position benefits from clear communication. Explaining what you are doing and why helps your partner feel secure and supported rather than uncertain. Confidence here is expressed through reassurance, not control. A steady presence and attentive demeanor make a significant difference. This position may feel unfamiliar at first, and that is completely normal. New positions take time to feel natural. What matters is staying communicative and patient. Many couples find that when the body feels supported, the mind follows. Relaxation deepens, distractions fade, and connection becomes easier to maintain. One of the most common misconceptions about confidence in intimacy is that it must be assertive or dominant. In reality, true confidence is calm. It shows up as steadiness, attentiveness, and emotional presence. When you move deliberately, speak clearly, and remain responsive, your partner senses that you are present and engaged. That presence builds trust. Trust leads to relaxation, and relaxation allows the body to function naturally. It's also important to remember that no position can compensate for a body that is constantly under stress. Supporting your overall health plays a crucial role in how you feel during intimate moments. Consistent sleep, regular movement, hydration, and balanced nutrition all support circulation and nervous system balance. Managing daily stress allows your body to respond more predictably and comfortably. Rather than chasing quick solutions, focus on building habits that support long-term well-being. The three positions we've discussed work because they prioritize comfort, communication, and alignment. They are adaptable and respectful, and they remove unnecessary pressure from intimacy. Intimacy is not about impressing or performing. It is about connecting. When you approach it with calm confidence and awareness, your partner feels it, and your body responds accordingly. Take your time, pay attention to feedback, and stay present. Confidence is built through understanding, not pressure. If this helped you think differently about intimacy and connection, continue learning and growing. Taking care of your body, your mind, and your relationships creates a foundation for confidence that lasts far beyond a single moment.